Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm John from HValley Tools, and you're in our showroom shop again with us today. And earlier in the spring we talked about refinishing and spraying, and we went over some things, and then the heat and humidity hits and it's not a good time to go out and do refinishing or spraying. So now the cooler temperatures for some areas of the country are starting to hit, and we wanted to bring it back so you can think a little more about refinishing. So the biggest question we get asked is, why should I spray? The results you get are 100% better than brushing, roller, foam brush, any of these other techniques. The other thing is that it's not really hard. It takes a little practice, but it's not hard. And you'll see some videos where guys are like, yeah, I sprayed this and look, it's great. But they don't show you the mistakes and the learning, and also the different types of materials that you need for your particular application. What I like about the HValley sprayer, and now it's called Erlex. So quick history, HValley came out with this, it's made in Taiwan, super quality. Wagner liked the product so much they bought it, but they didn't call it Wagner because they have their own airless sprayers. So there's a brand from England called Erlex that make great sprayers, and Wagner bought them. So they put this under that brand. It's really nicely made. It's lightweight, it's easy to use, easy to clean up, and it comes with a lot of the necessary accessories for your finishing applications. One of the things that I really like is that they have an assortment of needles and nozzles, and we can get into that, but needles and nozzles really adjust to the thickness or the thinness of the material you're using. This can of General Finish is brushable enamel. On the back of it, they're going to tell you, if you're spraying with an HVLP sprayer, use this needle size. That's it. Pretty much that easy. Then you're going to have your options here for your air cap. The air cap is basically the size of your fan. Do you want a small fan? Do you want a big fan? Do you want a vertical, horizontal, or a dot? That's all adjustments that are right here. Easy, honest to gosh. The amount of material and the size of the fan that comes out is controlled in the back. You pull the trigger, you spray. Then you're out spraying, you're having a great time, and now you're like, okay, I'm done, now I have to clean up. Years ago, when I had to clean up my old DeVilbiss gun from my dad, it would take me about an hour and a half to take it apart. This is literally minutes. So to clean this up, in our combo, you get an extra reservoir, which is nice to have. You put lukewarm or cool water in here, if it's water-based. And then we're gonna take this off, drain it. Off comes the siphon tube. You put that in a bucket and clean it. Put that back in. Put it into your reservoir that has the cool or lukewarm water in it. Spray through it. We just cleaned it. Now, there's some detail cleaning that you can do as well, and that's here. So to take this apart, we're going to remove the nozzle ring and the air cap. This is the diffuser, and there's the needle and nozzle. And these come off with this applied wrench. Really easy. They give you a little scrubby brush too, so you can get in here and clean, which you do periodically, and that's it. So to put it back together, we put the air diffuser back on, and that's spring loaded, you can't mess it up. You put your air cap on, and then we're just going to thread it on, and that's it. So the manual that comes with it is excellent. It really talks about how to spray, some fundamentals. And the siphon tube is reversible for overhead work. I had some local customers actually paint stairwells with latex paint. Great results. So when you get into refinishing mode in the fall and you're spraying some things like I am, I have a project that I'm beginning to spray at home in the house. This gun works great. It's a plug-in gun, easy sneezy. It's a 4 CFM, 4 PSI gun, so it doesn't put out a lot of pressure, but it puts out a lot of air. And that's it. Really a lot of fun to do. You'd be surprised how great your projects look. And if you have any questions, please ask. And remember, we do have a combo that you see right here, not including the paint, of course. But it's really something that you might want to invest in, and it's for years of enjoyment. The only limitation to this sprayer is you cannot spray true lacquer, okay? Because it will dissolve the plastic. Water-based lacquer works great. Water-based finishes works excellent. Oil-based finishes works great, just no lacquer. And if you have any questions, please ask. Love to help you out with this, and it's a lot of fun, and it takes your project to the next level. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you're in Philadelphia metropolitan area, stop by our showroom and say hi.